While devotion to Mary's heart is essentially concerned with the love that her heart has for Jesus, for God. My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, yesterday we celebrated the solemnity of the heart, Sacred Heart of Jesus, the love of the heart of Jesus. And on this Saturday we are called to celebrate the feast of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. A heart that is so intimately and so faithfully related or connected or linked to the heart of Jesus. The main difference between the devotion to the hearts of Jesus and Mary is that one concerned with Jesus emphasizes his divine heart as being full of love for all mankind. But as we know, this love for the most part is today being ignored or rejected. While devotion to Mary's heart is essentially concerned with the love that her heart has for Jesus, for God. Therefore, it is not an end itself. So the love of her heart is meant to be a model for the way we should love our God. The fact that her heart is immaculate, that is sinless, means that she is the only human person who is able to really, sincerely and faithfully to love God in the way that He should be loved. Honoring Mary's Immaculate Heart today is really just another way of honoring Mary as the person who was chosen to be the Mother of God. Recognizing her extraordinary holiness and the immense love she bestowed on Jesus as his mother, the person who was called to share in and cooperate in his redemptive sufferings. The aim of the devotion is to unite mankind to God through Mary's heart. And this process involves the ideas of consecration and reparation. This involves a total gift of self, something only ultimately possible with reference to God. But Mary is our intermediary in this process of consecration. That is, although the act of consecration is ultimately addressed to God, it is an act that is made through Mary. We know that Mary stood at the foot of the cross at the last moment of Jesus' life as he hung on the cross, suffering terribly. And the whole world was entrusted to her by Jesus, the dying Jesus, so that she may continue to be a mother to us all. Let us love this Immaculate Heart of Mary, and surely this love towards her will continue to lead us to God, to the heart of love of Jesus. Amen.